How to permanently delete TikTok. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In this video, I will guide you through the steps on how you can permanently delete your TikTok account, so make sure to watch the video till the end. If you want to permanently delete your TikTok account, all you have to do is go ahead and first of all, make sure to launch the TikTok application here. Once you launch the TikTok app, first of all, come to the profile page and just make sure to log into your TikTok account. So make sure that it is the correct account that you want to delete. After you log into your TikTok account, you're gonna be able to see this type of interface where you can come to the profile icon, tap the three lines option from the top right, and then just go to settings and privacy, go to account, go to deactivate to delete account option from the bottom, and then just tap the option called delete account permanently. And after you've done that, you should be able to select your reason, then just tap on the continue option. After you've done that, your TikTok account will get successfully deleted. This way you can permanently delete TikTok. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any more questions, then feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you very much for watching till the end of the tutorial, and see you soon in our next video.